annual air conditioning coil cleaning is often not adequate in dusty areas and can lead to reduced efficiency and higher costs. Coils exposed to heavy dust loads accumulate particles that insulate heat transfer surfaces and restrict airflow. So, we recommend inspecting evaporator and condenser coils at least seasonally and cleaning them more frequently when you see visible dust, pollen, or debris. Use a soft brush and a low-pressure rinse from the condenser side for condensers, and a fin comb to straighten bent fins before cleaning to restore airflow. Avoid high-pressure washing on evaporator coils inside air handlers to prevent damage to coil tubing and nearby components. Replace or upgrade the air filters to a higher efficiency rated media that is compatible with the equipment, and check filters monthly during high dust seasons, because a clean filter reduces the dust reaching coils and prolongs the time between deep cleanings. Consider installing prefilters or washable return grill filters in extremely dusty or arid environments to capture coarse particles and reduce maintenance frequency. When performing coil cleaning, power down equipment and follow safety procedures, and allow coils to dry completely before restoring power to avoid electrical shorts and microbial growth. Track each cleaning with date stamp notes and photographs so you can correlate performance changes, such as increased energy use or reduced cooling capacity, with coil condition, and refine your cleaning interval. 3 common mistakes are cleaning only once a year in dusty settings, using overly aggressive pressure that damages fins or tubes, and relying solely on filters without addressing the surrounding environment. If people clean only annually, performance will decline, and the solution is to shift to seasonal inspections and clean more often when you see buildup. If technicians or homeowners use high-pressure water, they can bend fins or rupture tubes, so use low-pressure rinsing, gentle brushes, and a fin comb to repair damage. If occupants assume filters solve everything, dust from the home exterior will still reach coils, so combine better filtration with routine area cleanup, sealing gaps around return grills, and adding pre-filters where possible. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can perform coil maintenance and environmental mitigation work, and we also help contractors find projects and grow their client base. We maintain an active discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and post photos so everyone can learn practical tips for keeping coils clean in dusty conditions.